Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Go ahead and get comfortable and close your eyes. If your mind has been racing or you just keep thinking about the same things over and over, this is for you. For the next few minutes, you don't need to figure anything out. You don't need to solve anything. You just get to be right here. Begin to relax all of the muscles in your face. Unclench your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Let your hands rest wherever it feels natural. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it go. Continue to repeat those inhales and exhales. Now start to bring your attention to your thoughts. You might notice your mind is still moving, thinking, planning, replaying things, and that's okay. You don't need to stop your thoughts. Just notice them, like watching cars pass by. You don't chase the car, you don't get in. You just watch. And every time your mind wants to hold on to one thought, gently come back to your breathing, in and out through your nose. We're going to sit quietly, focusing on our breath for the next couple of minutes. Start to bring awareness back into your body. Notice how you feel. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose. And slowly let it out through your mouth. When you're ready, you can gently open your eyes, coming back into your physical environment. Let's take one more deep inhale, breathing in through your nose. And let it out. Thank you for meditating with me today. Remember, this video is always available to you. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.